Hi, I'm Dr. Jen. I'm a board certified fertility doctor. I'm here with Mochi, and I'm here to tell you 3 natural fertility tips. So the first tip is you should track and know your fertile window. So what's your fertile window? That's the 6 days that you're most fertile each cycle, and those days are the 5 days before ovulation and the day of ovulation. And the easiest way to know your fertile window is to track your cycle on a calendar, a simple calendar, because that will help you know the day that you're ovulating, and so you'll know what the 5 days before that are. That's because ovulation, after you ovulate, you have the luteal phase, and that's pretty consistent at about 14 days. So if you're tracking your cycle and you're a 28-day cycle, then you're going to be ovulating on day 14, and that means that the 5 days prior to that and that day of ovulation are your fertile window. Whereas if you're tracking your cycle and your fertile window is, or your cycle, is 30 days long, then you're going to be ovulating around day 16, and then your fertile window will be the 5 days prior to that day, and that's when you want to be having intercourse. So then natural fertility tip number 2 is how often to have intercourse during this fertile window. So you want to be having intercourse every other day or every day during that fertile window, because that will give you your optimal fertility. You don't need to be having intercourse twice a day, or you don't want to hold off and only have it once during that fertile window, because that can really reduce your fertility. But every other day or every day during that fertile window for optimal chances of pregnancy. And then fertility tip number 3 is to try to not use lubricants during your fertile window, because those will slow the sperm from swimming well and may reduce your fertility. Now, there are some fertility-friendly lubricants like Conceive, which may not slow sperm necessarily, but it won't necessarily help the sperm. So if you're trying to get pregnant and you can avoid lubricants, that's best. Otherwise, use a fertility-friendly lubricant during your fertile window. And also, so you know, you don't have to lie supine, because the sperm reaches the fallopian tubes within minutes of after intercourse. So lying supine hasn't been shown to be super helpful. I know a lot of my patients prefer to do that for a few minutes just to be on the safe side, but when they've looked at it, they haven't seen a big increase in fertility or pregnancy rates from lying supine after intercourse. So please follow along, check out my YouTube channel for more natural fertility tips, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.